Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, back in the kitchen again. I'm here preparing some mushroom chicken stir fry with some spaghetti, and this is all my ingredients. Guys, I'm gonna season up my mushroom first, and then I'm gonna show you how I season up my chicken breast. Okay. I'm gonna put in my chives, so I'm gonna add my oregano now. Next I'm gonna add my basil, some fish seasoning, and some Larry seasoning. Then I'm gonna add some browning, just a little tip of browning for coloring. Then I'm gonna rub it up. Let's combine all these ingredients together. And this is how my mushroom look after I put all of these ingredients in it. So I'm gonna season up my chicken breast now, okay? And I'm gonna use the same season up this chicken breast. Yes guys, the only seasoning I'm not gonna put in my chicken breast is the fish seasoning, but all the seasoning that I use and season up my mushroom, I'm gonna use in my chicken. Okay guys, so just gonna combine all the ingredients in my chicken breast. Guys, here I have my pot on and it's well hot, okay? So what I'm gonna pour in there now is my olive oil, and this is about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I put the stove on medium heat because I want it to well hot. So I'm gonna fry my garlic and my ginger. Just gonna put in 1 peg of garlic in the pot. Let it fry. I guess the pot not hot so good. Yes guys, I have my garlic. I just have 1 peg of garlic in there. Just 1 peg of garlic, and I'm just gonna let it fry. Make it get a nice flavor. I'm gonna put in some ginger, some chopped ginger. Then I'm gonna add my mushroom. And the mushroom not gonna take a long time to fry. I'm gonna let it fry for about 5 minutes. Then I just take it out and then I stir fry my chicken breast. Okay? I'm gonna take out my mushroom now. I put the mushroom in the same container it was in. Just gonna put it back in there. I'm just gonna stir fry my chicken breast now. Just gonna leave this to fry for just 5 minutes or less, okay? Gonna pour some oil in the pot, some olive oil. Guys, here I have my pot over here with some boiling water in there. I just pour some salt in there. So I'm just gonna add my spaghetti. I'm gonna let my spaghetti boil for 7 minutes, and I'm just gonna when it finish boil, I'm gonna turn on the stove because I'm gonna make when I finish stir fry my chicken breast and my mushroom and my other seasoning. I just want my spaghetti to be hot and shelly same way. Cause when you look about your spaghetti and you throw it and put it down, throw it out of the water and put it aside, it just get lumpy, and you don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is when it boils in 7 minutes, I just wanna turn on the stove and just let the heat stay in there. Okay, guys. And I'm using the same pot. Just gonna add my chicken and my mushroom. See the color it have? It have a beautiful color, brown color. And you can use the Chinese sauce. I use browning because I'm used to browning, so I use browning. So I'm gonna add my spaghetti now. I put my spaghetti. You see it's shelly? It's in a lump up. Yeah, that's the look I was looking for. I'm just gonna combine this together now. Everything together. Look at this. I just want to cover this for 2 minutes, just 2 minutes, no longer than that, okay? And make sure the spaghetti go all over, cover all of the mushroom and my chicken. Yeah. Guys, this is the finished look of my mushroom chicken stir fry with my spaghetti. Guys, this is the finished look. You can have this with some rice and you can have this alone. Yes, it's very good, tastes really yummy. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. So guys, big up on yourself and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment and tell me all about this new recipe. Big up on yourself guys and thank you for watching. Bye.